Hi, this is Minakshi Sharma. I've just now finished with the 7 days of level 1 of clinical hypnotherapy and level 1 of spiritual past life regression course with Dr. CJ Chandar with the help of Ruchi and Mankirat. And I'm really glad that I came here to attend because before the course I was really not sure because I had some real challenges at the home front. Uh, and I really have no mental space to come and attend this course, but I'm so glad that I made this choice to come here. And in the for level 1 hypnotherapy course, for the first time in my life I experienced deep relaxation, and despite handling all the stresses at the home front, I felt deeply relaxed, and it did me a lot good. And in turn, the situation at home is also improving. Like we were experiencing acute sickness of my brother-in-law, and he's also making great improvements. So, and also in the past, during the spiritual past life regression, I could visit the unknown areas of my life, and I am really ecstatic meeting my spiritual guides during the process, and I'm eternally grateful to that. Overall, I strongly recommend this course whether you want to become a teacher or a therapist, or even for your own personal journey, even if you don't want to take it up as a profession, but for your own journey, for your own cleansing, for understanding your life purpose better. This journey through these courses is wonderful. Thank you so much.